Hi, I'm going to show you how to pay your monthly maintenance. If you look on your home page right here, it'll tell you how many days you have until you're no longer active. That way you won't be making commissions off people in your downline and yourself. So you want to take a look at this every time you log into the office. When it gets down below 10, it'll start as red and start blinking. So you can pay your maintenance from your bonus wallet or your register wallet. So if I go down to navigate, I can click down and I can go to maintenance. You're going to want to put in your username and make sure it's you. I have 0 on my register wallet balance, so I would have to use my bonus wallet balance right now. If you click here, you can see you can pay for 1 month, for 3 months, 6, 9, or 12. Keep in mind that after you pay for 12 months, you can get a free product, an Ion Classic Shield or a classic device, a wand. So once you've paid that, you can actually go to bonus redemption. I think I said I had 66 days. So let's go ahead and pay for 90 days. If I clicked register wallet right now, I would get invalid because I don't have any money in my register wallet. So I am going to go here and do $90. I am going to put, make sure this is 0. Make sure this is 90. There we go. And I'll put in my password. Make sure everything's correct. I'm doing it for 3 months, $90, and I press confirm. Purchase successful. So when I go back to my home page, it should have increased the days to 156 days. And we didn't take a look, but had we looked at the bonus redemption wallet, that $90 was placed in here. So when I click on details, here it has added $90 into there. So I'm not losing my money by paying for my maintenance. It's going into that wallet. So then later you can go ahead and get some free devices. That's all there is to it. Thank you.